Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to little bit look into the RDP house that Julius Malema promised to the wheelchair-bound elderly in Seshego. Please remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification button. Fellow South Africans and Africans at large, I have a question. We have people having different views and different talks about everything. But is it not correct to say, against the all odds of people claiming that EFF or Julius Malema doesn't care about the ordinary South Africans, they have chosen to turn that into a talk and action, not just a talk and action, of which I'm asking myself, is it not going to happen that the longer people keep on talking and the longer that they EFF keep on doing what they say they will do, you might end up seeing as many hundreds and hundreds of RDP houses they have built, or different help that they will give to the people, which is vivid, which is touchable, which they can prove. I myself, I don't even believe that is what is inside such a house. Is it true that the kitchen looks like that, and the sitting rooms, and it seems like it's a trend all over where you find the RDP houses built by EFF? Are we not playing a game of trying to discredit them, and they prove otherwise to us by actions? And is it not a situation whereby people on the ground that come up and physically see these things happening, they will act different to what people on the social media might be saying against EFF? Let us hear what are you saying on the comment section. And are the other political parties also showing to be doing something different to prove that they are for South Africans, different to what EFF is doing? Are they practically acting to prove when they say EFF doesn't care for South Africans, but they do care for South Africans? Because as you can see there, Chris Excel showing an RDP house from ANC and RDP house from EFF. And if we can remember previously, the MKP has shown to have built a certain small like RDP houses, and they say it's because they are just beginning. And then EFF, as it has said before, it doesn't need the mesh block houses for South Africans. Can such luxurious houses, of which people that are working permanently for themselves, for their families, are not even able to build for themselves? Are we not playing a game or talking things on the social media, of which people on the ground are going to act differently because they can see it, because the people are working on the street, they can see such the houses that are called an RDP house from a political party that is not even in government? Please tell us on the comment section, what do you think? Are we just going out there to lament and give an EFF a different picture or a shape on the social media, of which people on the ground don't even looking at it, or they will not see it that way, because they are going to see what is happening face to face in front of their eyes, and be able to talk a different topic from what people say on the social media. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and press the notification button.